How to log into Netflix account. Let's get started. You can use the web browser or also you can download the Netflix app. If you want to log in using the Netflix app, you can easily download the Netflix app from the App Store or Play Store and then you can launch it. If you want to use the web version, what you can do is launch your preferred browser and then type in Netflix account login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the website Netflix login. You will be directed to the login page. After you launch the app as well, you'll be directed to the login page. Now you have to fill this to get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your Netflix account's credentials. Go ahead and type in the phone number, then type in the password. You can also use a sign-in code to log into your account if you don't want to use the password. After you fill this, click on sign in and just for that you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Netflix account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of sign up now and do that. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.